This cute.
I'd say yes.
Mummy was on and it nearly got onto Minnie's legs. It's a dog.